Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, in the last class we started the topic. Okay, listen. In the last class we started the topic play with patterns. The introduction was given and 2 questions from the textbook are done. Today let us try to do the remaining problems. Patterns. Patterns means numbers which follow a special order, a special rule will be there. There will be a rule or condition will be given to you. Based on that, you have to find the numbers which satisfies the rule. We did few questions. Let us try the remaining. Look at this. Magic patterns. These are very interesting. Generally comes for the puzzles, quiz. Magic patterns. You have to put some numbers where by adding the numbers in a row or column, the result must be same. Look at the first example. One example is given in the beginning. There are 7 numbers, 1 to 7. Numbers should not be repeated, but the total should be 12. If you add row wise, column wise, the result should be 12. That one example is given there. You can see the top 2, 3, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Bottom 1, 5, 6. Again 12. Diagonal wise 7, 4, 1. Again that is 12. 2, 4, 6. Again it is 12. So however you add in all the directions, the total is 12. One example is given. Now, based on the example, you have to solve the next question. Okay. Take the question. You have to fill the numbers in the stars, in the gaps. You have to use the numbers 1 to 9. Total should be 15. Total should be 15. What are the numbers to be taken? 1 to 9 you have to take. Total should be 15. And we should not repeat the numbers. You have to take some numbers 1 to 15. Total should be 1 to 9. Total should be 15. Okay, try. I'm giving 2 minutes time. You try, otherwise I will give the answer. You have to put the numbers so that the total should be 15. Total should be 15. Try, let me know the numbers.
Good morning, sir.
1 to 9 numbers you have to keep. Number should not be repeated. But the total should be 15. Zero is not there. 1 to 9 only.
Unmute all.
Who is doing this drawing? Huh?
Drawing and geese no ka to kai kenu.
Take the numbers so that there should be no repetitions. That care has to be taken. There can be many answers. There may not be unique answer. You have to take numbers. See that the total should be 15 and there should be no repetitions also. This is like a puzzle. You are solving a puzzle. Use your skills and do it. Many answers can be given. You can have many answers. One answer already I gave there. One I am trying like this. If I take 9 here, 9, 5, 1, become 10, 15, 4, 3, 8, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 15, 2, 7, 6. One answer I am trying here. You have to check. There is no specific rule for this. You can try. Take numbers and keep trying. One answer I wrote here, one answer is there on the screen. You check the total, is it giving 15 or not? Their stars are there, no need to put the stars, you can draw the circles also. This is one answer where row and column total equal. The answer what I shared on the screen, in the diagonal also 15. You can see the diagram shared there in the screen. There diagonal also 15. This only row and column 15 because condition is given row and column. So I tried only row and column here. That example row and column also diagonal 15. Completed. Look at this. Magic triangles. Use numbers 1 to 6. Total should be 10. Next question. Try this. Let me know the answer. Magic triangles number 1 to 6. numbers 1 to 6. We have to use number 1 to 6. Total should be 10. Total should be 10. Try all the possibilities. Take a number, next number, add 10, so that you have to try. There will not be unique solutions. You will have many solutions. Blessy, your camera is off. Every day this has become a practice to ask the students to switch on the camera. If the camera is off without any intimation, it will be removed. Akshara, switch on your camera. Sheikh Aran, switch on your camera. Ritvik Balaji, Bhavyasri, Pallavi, Gyaneshwar, Zareen. What is the problem to switch on the camera? Huh? Who got the answer? Anybody got the answer for this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me the numbers?
Sir, at the top it's 5.
Sir, I know, sir.
5, 4, 1, sir. I got it.
1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 6, 3.
Yes. The answer what you gave 253, that is correct. Correct answer is there on the screen. You can
Yes,
copy those you are not completed. As I said, you will
Sir,
have
I
many
also
options.
did it in another way.
Yeah, you will have many options. There will not be one solution. You will have different solution. How you think,
Yes,
based
sir.
on that, you will get the answers.
Yes, sir.
See that row column should be same. If you got the right answer, no need to copy my answer. Your answer is right, fine. Those who not able to do it, you can copy this. It's a trial and error. You put the number, check the total, not getting, change the numbers. Like this, many trials, finally you will get the solution.
Sir, I got different answer. My
Yes,
answer
definitely. You may get any answer, provided it should be right. I gave one answer. There is no rule that you have to get the same answer. You can get different answers also. The questions will have different answers. There is no unique solution. Different answers can. Zareen, your camera is off. Rishika, your camera is off. Gyaneshwar, Pallavi.
English, sir.
Your cameras off. Gyaneshwar, Pallavi.
Sir, I got different answers, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I said no. If you try sincerely, you will get answer which is a different answer. No need to get the same answer.
Has number down.
Morning, sir. My name is Vigani, sir. My camera is not working, sir.
This is the same reason you are telling for many days.
No, sir. Actually, really is saying, sir. This computer is old version computer, sir. I have
That is not the
messages.
excuse. That is not the excuse. One class or two class. It is not the permanent.
Between spelling.
You have to get
No,
it
sir,
repaired.
yeah. No,
I
sir.
cannot,
Yeah.
I cannot teach to the walls. I teach to the students. I want to see the student. If student is not in front of me, then I won't teach.
No, sir. Yeah, his father has repaired also. They are not saying that it is not possible to repair.
And that cannot be excuse, ma'am. If the video is off, I won't teach, ma'am. That is my rule. I want to teach my students who are present in front of me.
Actually, he's listening from my phone only. I have given my phone to my daughter, sir. She's 8th A. That's why I've given to the laptop.
Ma'am, either 8th class and 4th class both are equally important. You can't say that 8th class I given camera, 4th class I can manage. That is not the reason.
So
Sorry to say
they
this.
are saying, okay, sir, soon I'll see the repair.
No, ma'am. Next class, if it is not there, I will remove it. Sorry to say this. I will teach only students who can see me. If the video is off, I'm not going to teach. One class is okay. Continuously, the same thing is happening.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, you're saying correct, sir.
Next class, I don't want any reasons, ma'am. If next class camera is off, please don't attend the class. If I remove, it will look bad to you. Yeah, next question, students. Next question. Number towers. Number towers means at the bottom there are some numbers. Grouping two numbers, add and get the answer on the above circle. Add two numbers above circle. That's how you have to manage the number tower. One example is given there. 5, 10, 15, 20. If you see 10, 15, add above circle will be there. I think this is clear to you. See, bottom 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Then 1, 2, 3 circles. Then 2 circles. Top only 1 circle. The numbers at the bottom 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 10, 15, add, you are getting 25. That is given to us. Then can you guess what will be? What about this circle? Bottom number should be added. 5 and 10. 5 and 10, add, you will get 15. This is how we will get. What about this circle?
15 plus
15 plus 20. 15 plus 20.
35.
35. This is how you have to complete the number tower. Number tower. Now what about this? For this you have to add these two. 15 plus 25. 40. 25, 35. 60.
60, sir.
Now 40 plus 60.
100, sir.
100. Century completed. 100. This is how we build a number tower. 5, 10, add this. Always very simple. Add two big circles, you will get the above circle. Next, followed by one number tower is there in red color. You please complete that tower and give the answer. I will copy the answer. So next red color, your blue color circles I have done. Next squares are there. Small squares are there. Same number tower. Bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 1 plus 2. Fill the above circle. Add 2 plus 3. Fill the above circle. Same pattern. You have to do it. Please complete and let me know the answer.
Sir, can I tell answer?
Wait. First students, let them complete this. Then you can see.
Sir, I have completed, sir. Sir, I also have completed. Sir, can I tell the answer?
Wait. I will ask, ma. I will ask.
You could complete it. Sir, completed, sir. Sir, completed. Sir, calculation complete, sir.
Yeah. Is this the answer you got? Second row, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yes,
Third row,
sir.
8, 12,
Yes,
16.
sir.
Then 20,
Yes, sir.
28, 48.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, is it right?
Yes,
All
sir.
copied.
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
move to the next question?
Yes, sir. Move the next question. Yes.
This is about one interesting pair of numbers.
Sir.
What, ma? Somebody is saying
I
something.
did not write.
Why? Be active. Maintain the momentum. Look at this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 students, they have written these numbers. Continuous numbers. First number and last number. 11 plus 16. What is the total? 11 plus 16.
Sir.
Second number from the beginning, second number from the end. Second number from the beginning, second number from the end. Surprisingly, this is also 27. Next, third number from the beginning, third number from the end. So numbers of equal distance. Third number. 13 plus 14. This is also 27. First from the right, first from the left. Second from the right, second from the left. Third from the right, third from the left. Totals all are equal to 27. If the numbers are 21, 22, 23, 24, then write these two patterns. 21, 22, 23, 24. What are the patterns? First and last. Like this you have to group.
21 plus 24 is equal to 45. 22 plus 23 is equal to 45.
21 plus 24. 22 plus 23. I have only 4 numbers. If you want, you can take 6 numbers like this. This pattern is correct for any numbers. If you take in continuous order, any 4 numbers, 6 numbers. If you take continuous numbers, 8 numbers, 10 numbers, first and last, second and second, third and third, always right. Always you will get the same result.
Sir,
Yes.
camera not clear, sir.
This is for 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this is for 21, 22, 23, 24. Identify the same pattern and the result is
Sir, can we take any number?
45. You have to take continuous numbers, even number. 4 numbers, 6 numbers, 8 numbers. You take any numbers, continuous numbers, always this pattern will be there.
Thank you, sir.
First, last total, second total, third total, all totals will be same. Like earlier we got 27, here we are getting 45. This pattern will be always there.
टॉपिक में एक प्रश्न का नाम ले तो आपको now we write in the notebook.
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm writing the answer.
Okay. Please write.
Sir, we have to copy this in notebook.
Yes. In the notebook only, where you will write? If not in the notebook. Abhilash, your camera is off. Harshika Reddy, your camera is off. Why, Harshika, why the camera was off? Huh? Why the camera was off?
See.
Rishika, your camera is off. Gyaneshwar, your camera is off continuously since the beginning. Next class onwards, please don't come to my class if you want to switch off the camera. Okay, off the camera, sit at home. You no need to study. Next question. Patterns with addition.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, Johnny.
Patterns with addition.
Thank you, sir.
2 patterns I have given. Third pattern you have to complete. See, continuous numbers I am adding 1, 2, 3. I got 6. Next 1, 2, 3 over. No, next 2, 3, 4. I am getting 9. Next 3, 4, 5. I am getting 12. What is happening here? Look at the result. 6, 9, 12. 6, then 9. 3 increase.
Sir, they're removing one number from the starting.
Oh, it is not removing. It is adding continuous numbers one after the other. 1, 2, 3. Next 2, 3, 4. Next 3, 4, 5. Like that. The result, you have to see the result. When you are adding 3, 3, 3 numbers, result increased by 3. 6 I got, 9 I got, 12 I got. 6 and 9, 3 increase. 9 and 12, 3 increase. If I add 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, I am getting 10. Next, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 4 numbers, 14. After 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. So what are the answers? 10, 14, 18. What is the increase there? When you take 4, 4, listen first. Don't write anything.
4, sir.
Third question you have to write, not the first and second. So when you are adding 4 numbers, there is increase of 4, 10, then 14, then 18. So adding 4 numbers, result increased by 4. Now add 5 numbers, see whether result increased by 5 times or not. That you have to check. Add 5 numbers and check the result. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer?
Sir, we
Yes.
can't see the. Sir, 6 is answer, sir.
6.
Yes, sir.
No.
2 ఎందుకంటే తీలిక రాస్తున్నావు ఈ 2 కి 3 కి ఏమైనా తేడా ఉందా ఎందుకంటే కింది తిప్పుతున్నావు
Parents, please stop talking there in the background. You are disturbing the class.
కొట్టు కొట్టు
ఈరోజు కొట్టిందా
Sir, first one answer is 15. Sir, 50, sir.
Yes, 1, 5, 15.
Next one, 20.
20, sir.
When 5 numbers are added, result should be increased by 5. 5 increase should be there. 20.
Sir, first
25. 30.
25, 25,
35.
35, sir.
Yeah. So you can see no 5 increase is there. 5 increase. When 5 numbers added, 5 increase will be there. 3 numbers added, increase 3. 4 numbers added, increase 4. When 5 numbers added, increase 5. If you add 6 numbers, then there will be increase of 6. That is the logic you have to see. See here. 5 increase is there. 5 addition is there. That is the logic of these numbers. Completed this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
5 numbers. All
Yes,
these
sir.
are
Yes,
made
sir.
from your testable. These are your testable questions. After the class, I will share this so that those who are not able to complete, they can do it. See, the pattern is interesting. Adding 5 numbers, you are getting 5 total. See how interesting it is. Abhilash, your camera is off continuously. Let me remove from the class. Harshika Reddy, your camera is off. I have told you just now, again your camera is off. If you don't want to attend the class, sit at home. Don't come to maths class. Okay? Okay? Don't come to my
But
class.
I got fever, sir.
Harshika, don't come to my class from next class onwards. Enough time I warned you to switch on the camera, but you are not listening. Gareem, your camera is off. If it is completed, shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the next exercise is secret messages.
Next question is very interesting.
No, sir.
Secret messages. It is about secret messages. The secret messages comes under coding and decoding. Generally, this is used in the secret services. Secret agencies, detectives, they use secret codes to convey the message. We are discussing easy method of alphabets. We know that there are 26 alphabets. Alphabets A,
Yes.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Give numbers to each alphabet starting with 1. 1,
Okay, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. See, there one example is given. Don't write. Jump. To say jump, the secret code of jump is, what is the number related to Z?
10, 21, 30.
Then U related with 21. M related with
13, sir.
13. Then P related with 16.
16.
So 10, 21, 13, 16. If this is the code given, the meaning of the code is jump. How we are giving numbers to alphabets. Okay, what are the questions we are going to discuss here? First question, just I wrote. Complete the list of alphabets with numbers. A, B, C, D, numbers. That is the first question. Giving numbers. Second one is, they are asking the code for good morning. What is the code for good morning?
7, 15, 16, 4, 13, 15, 1, 14,
7, 8, 20.
1, 8, 1, 4, 9, 1.
First try to complete this. Giving numbers. Giving numbers. A, B, C, D. Give 26 numbers. That is the first question. You have to write all this. Then what is the code for good morning? What is the G? 7, 15, 15, 4, morning, 13, 15. Yeah, and complete this.
G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, U, V, W,
So, is 18, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 15,
So next one is
4, 13, 15, 18,
13, 15,
First, let me complete the second one. What is good morning?
13, 15, 18.
13, 15, 18 for R. N secret code is 14. I secret code is 9. Again, N means 14. You have to give gap between them. G is 7. So this is the secret code for good morning. So instead of saying good morning, you can say 7, 15, 15, 4, 13, 15, 18, 14, 9, 14, 7. That means it is good morning. Third one is a different question. Third one special rule is mentioned. Special rule is mentioned. Generally, B means 2, but he says B means 1, C means 2, D means 3. So we are taking its previous number. Then A will become 26, last number. Because Z will be 25, Y will be 24. You are going to the previous number. You are giving its previous number. Then what is the code for let us dance? What is the code for let us dance? Original number we are not taking. We are taking one less number, previous number. Actually L means 12, but we are taking 11. We are going one number left side. 11, L. E means 5. T means one previous number, 19. Got my point? This is how we give. Now try and get the answer for let us dance.
Sir, you write E correct number, sir.
Yes, E means 4. Sorry. E means 4, not 5. We have to go one number less. Sorry. So this is LET. Let us. US. What are the numbers for US? Don't take the original number, take its previous number. See, if you want, you can write the table again. Now I wrote the table with the number changed. B means 1, C means 2, D means 3. New table I wrote for you. Based on that, now you can answer easily. Let us dance. U means 20. Next, S means 18.
Yes, me 18, sir.
Then dance. Dance.
E is 3, sir.
D means 3. A means 20.
A means 0.
Not 0. There is no 0. 26. Last number is there, no?
A means 26, sir.
A means 26. I wrote the new table for you there.
N means 13, sir.
N means 13.
Means 2.
Auto. Who is shouting there? Huh? Okay. Still some questions are there which we will do in the next class. Next class we will try to complete this. So those who copied this, they can leave the class. I have next class. Let us dance. Whatever is discussed now, I will share the PDF of this. Those who are not able to copy, they can copy in the classwork. Classwork should be completed in time. There should not be any pending.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Yes.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
What?
Thank you, sir. Bye,
What?
sir. I have a doubt.
Yes, yes. Ask the doubt now, please. What is the doubt?
How you write A, sir?
A means 26. Last number Z 25. 26 is left over. The 26 will come to A. The 26 will come to A.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Bye. Next class onwards, if the camera is off, no need to come to my class. I will remove immediately. No warnings will be given.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.